Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. For this DIY, I would like to share with you how I made it easy to make side table and lamp using clear acrylic bowls and containers. If you would like to find out what I created, I also apply single strips in between. And for lighting, I'll be using two LED remote touch lights, and I'll be placing one on top and one on the bottom. And for my tabletop, I'll be using a 15 by 19 oval glass top. For my second DIY, I'll be starting off with a dog tree container that is clear. Once I started removing the label, I've noticed that there's buildup and residue, but this is easy to remove. I used nail polish and a hand towel, and I continue rubbing until the residue was removed. I will also be using two acrylic fish slash candy bowls and two acrylic candy bowls that come in a set of four with an interesting pattern. I'll be gluing two candy bowls, two fish bowls, and my containers together, and I'll start off by flipping my candy bowl over and gluing the fish bowl on top. Next, I glue the container on top. Next, I'll glue on my second fishbowl facing down. I glued on the second candy bowl facing up. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. It really helps me out a lot and it lets me know that you enjoy videos like this. On the center, on the flat surface, I'll be applying single strips of mosaic tiles in between the spaces. I also apply single strips of mosaic tiles on both candy bowls. Next, I'll be using this acrylic oval tray that comes with an interesting pattern. I will also be using my soldering iron and I'll start making holes 1 inch apart close to the top edge. Once I was done, I went back and made more holes in between the others, leaving the holes a 1/2 inch apart. Next, I'll be using diamond crystal links and I'll start taking them apart using 3 links for each one I take apart, and I'll be making 35. Next, I'll take the key ring of the link and I'll hook it on in between the hole and I'll continue on the rest. For lighting, I'll be using one LED remote touch light and I'll be gluing it in the center. Once I was done, I placed the tray on top of the body lamp with the touch light facing down. I really do love the way this side table and table lamp turned out, and what I love the most is that it's very clear, but it's chic and unique and glamorous at the same time. Who knew that acrylic bowls and containers can look this stunning? And let's not forget how beautiful and stunning it will look with the lights off. Look at all the shimmering. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed both DIYs as much as I enjoyed creating them. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bells for more upcoming future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.